Myntri Rangbah ka jala Govornor sangma ulami ban Kyrshan ya ulat ka jala uphaku cauhan uban saa jeng Kren lamprang ya ka yung dabar mangtengka na Ktien hindi ha ka khandro tarik mentau benai. Habai Kren bagino thokot khubor Govornor ula Kyrshan baka rule ka sha ya neno bang Kren hindi halor ka kendon baki di ban ai ya ka jeng tho ka balapan kelas ka Ktien pareng bat kani ka dei ka bujule. Susu Govornor lo ongru ba ulam prang ka yung dabar ula pentip baka office jong ka penbiang ya kinok pengkala Ktien na Ktien hindi negi pat ki Ktien sa kapareng lembaga artificial intelligence ni da kanu ka jeng penbek aka baki MLA ki laban sngap ya ka jeng Kren ha Ktien pareng laban ka hang ne badang kini kena sni ki balai ka VPP lemba secretary ka parliamentary party uba Livingstone Kharpran kal ai da ka jeng tho ka office de ulam prang ka yung darbar baka jala ba bandawa ba ular ka jala udi berpendekam de Ktien pareng ya ka Govornor address nilai omla berpendekam de Ktien pareng ka office prang ka di ban bu ya kinok pengkala Ktien ka ba tang kena sni ki dapat ka office jong ulam prang ka yung darbar ka jala ula pentip baka office jong kala bu ya kinok pengkala Ktien ka sni ba ulat o ai jeng Kren lamprang.
Threat to boycott the governor's speech if made in Hindi.
See, we are very clear that the rules are there, and the rules allow anybody to speak, provided they provide the copy of the speech in English, and that is being done. And therefore, there is no issue. We are following the rules as per the requirement. Number one. Number two is that we have also the speaker has informed us that he has also made provisions where either through artificial intelligence or through some kind of a translator, that there will be provisions where people will be listening to the speech in English also. So making it an issue I think is unnecessary. Wherever the situation is, many people have spoken in different languages, as I said. So the individual concerned, our Honorable Governor, has limitations, and therefore he is speaking in Hindi. There's nothing wrong in that. So I just don't understand the whole issue that they're trying to bring up. I think what is more important is the content of what is there in the governor's speech, and more importantly, the discussion that we will have as to how we will productively decide and debate on important issues related to the state. And I think we should focus on that in the assembly session.
Governor's speech in Hindi. How do you tell?
I have no comments on this. Really, I don't think it's worth commenting on it. Is what I'm saying, because as I said, what is most important in democracy and more important in legislation is the debates that take place, the discussions that take place. That is what we are meeting for, and it would be more meaningful if the honourable members would focus on those issues that are important for the state. We are ready to discuss and debate on various issues, and we have always been positive in terms of recommendations and suggestions given. Even if it comes from opposition, if I find that there's something that's good, I don't ever hesitate to accommodate and to ensure. So I think that is most important, and I think honourable members should focus on the content, on the debate, and on the issues that are there for the state. Some walkways to be created, so on and so forth. We have put in a number of proposals for that also. So these were the basic decisions that were taken in the cabinet today.